Hi you guys, so it's Christmas Eve, so I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas Eve. I'm gonna do a little song for you guys because since it's Christmas, I thought I'll just, sing you guys a little song, alright? This song is called Lub Sijhawm by Kristine, and I'm not gonna do the whole song, I'm just gonna do a little demo for you guys, okay? So I hope you guys all enjoy it, alright?
Kusa benda kaisha mungkalu bladia tsuhu shai kon zi xiai thongka belon zhen zina kusa to shi hanu ku yu nyo da kaisha mu这多个在地自喜和下一个入真，做理所都错呀这故撒多路西很浓木，故用这个道一错给，不知撒给，不路高。朝上的心上，那个一笔走路稀罕，在公方上咋个做嘛？拉起条泪公着道Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video, and you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Alright, thank you. Bye, you guys.